Now we have to discuss about the pigments. What are the pigments involved in the photosynthesis? Pigments that are involved in the photosynthesis. Involved in photosynthesis. Pigments means these are the responsible for different colors. These are responsible for different colors. Pigments are the substances. These are the substances present on the membranes of the thylakoid. Present on the membranes of thylakoid. And these pigments trap the or absorb the light. They absorb the light in different wavelengths, in their respective wavelengths. These are present on the membranes of the thylakoids. When we observe these pigments, when we observe a leaf, it is in green color. By using the chromatography technique, by using this chromatography technique, when we split these pigments which are present in the green plants, it is not due to a single pigment. It is of different pigments. The pigments which are present in the plants are generally chlorophylls, carotenoids, xanthophylls, and phycobilins. These are the pigments which are responsible for the different colors of the plants and plant parts. Coming to this, the main photosynthetic pigments present in the plants are chlorophylls, carotenoids, and xanthophylls. The main photosynthetic pigments are chlorophylls, xanthophylls, and carotenoids. Arnoff and Allen classified the chlorophylls into 9 types. They are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E. Next, chlorophyll 650 nanometers and chlorophyll 660 nanometers. Next, bacterial chlorophyll A, and bacterial chlorophyll B. These chlorophylls are responsible for the blue-green color of plants. That means these chlorophylls are responsible for the bluish-green color. Next, coming to this xanthophylls, the xanthophylls are responsible for the yellow color of the pigment. They are responsible for the yellow color of the pigments, and carotenoids are responsible for the orange color of the pigment. Among these chlorophylls, this chlorophyll A mainly participated in photosynthesis. It is the main photosynthetic pigment. present on the membranes of thylakoids. Membranes of thylakoids. It's that is blue-green color, bluish green color pigment. Next, when we observe this electromagnetic radiation of light, this electromagnetic radiation of the sun, it reaches to the earth in the form of minute particles. Those are called as photons. The energy which is present in the sun, it is called as quantum energy or radiation energy. This, when we observe this visible light is white in color. When we split this visible light through a spectrum, we can observe 7 colors. It is called as Vibgayar. Among these 7 colors, the main photosynthetic rate is high in blue color and red color. In blue color wavelength and red color wavelength, the main photosynthetic rate is high. That means this chlorophyll A absorbs the light which is in blue color and red color, and it synthesizes the food material. That's why the main photosynthetic rate occurs in blue color and red color lights. Next, coming to that, among that chlorophyll A, the remaining pigments also participated in photosynthesis. This remaining pigments, that is chlorophyll B, xanthophylls and carotenoids, they are called as accessory pigments. This is chlorophyll A, and these other pigments are called as accessory pigments. These accessory pigments means they absorb the light energy and they transform it to the chlorophyll A. That's why these are called as accessory pigments. And also these pigments are called as shield pigments. Shield pigments. That means these chlorophyll B, carotenoids and xanthophylls, they protect the chlorophyll A from high light intensity. That's why those are called as shield pigments. This process is destruction of chlorophyll molecule. Destruction of chlorophyll molecule under high light intensity is called as photooxidation, or it is also called as photobleaching. Photooxidation, or it is also called as photobleaching. These chlorophyll B, xanthophylls and carotenoids, they protect the chlorophyll A from photooxidation or photobleaching. That's why these pigments are called as shield pigments. Along with this chlorophyll A, the remaining pigments also participated in photosynthesis.